Hello friends, in this video we will see the looping structures of the Go programming language. So first of all we will see the two loops, that is for loop and nested for loop. You are seeing on the screen, that is for loop and nested for loop. So let us see what is for loop and how can we see. So first of all we discuss the uh, infinite for loop. That means how can we make the infinite. So here you see that I have just written for true and the statement. So this is the infinite loop. Whenever we run this program, then our program will be go to infinite. So let us see here INF underscore loop. So whenever I will run, so you see that this is displaying the results infinitely. So this is the infinite loop. So if you want to do some loops infinitely, then you have to write for true, then the whatever the statements you want to give inside that. So this is the infinite loop. Let us see another type of for loop. All file for loop. So here this is the very small for loop where I am just displaying from 0 to 10. So you see that where n int equal to 10, we declare the value n with the 10. Then I am working with the for loop. Here there is no any parenthesis. Here just you have to write for, then the initialization section, then this is the conditional section, and this is the increment or decrement. So there are three type of expression here. Then that is num, it is declared with the num is initialized with the 0. Then num will checked with less than n value, then num plus plus. Here first of all initialization will be execute, then condition, then inner section. After that the increment or decrement section will operate. So let us see the output of this program. So first of all I go to the command mode, cd dot my workspace is cd go underscore work space. So now we will run go run for loop dot go. So you see that it will run 0 to 9. So this is the result of this. For this you have to run if you want to print 0 to 9, it will. Now another type of for loop is something different to another programming language, like this. Here you have also seen that there is a different using of the for loop. So here you see that I have declared the variable n with the value 10, then I declared another variable num, and I am checking the value of num with the small n, that is it is less than or not, and I am incrementing the value inside the for loop, and I am just displaying the value of num is what. So this is another type. Here just I am you can use like a while loop or do while, like any other programming language. So you can just write the conditions also, and you can increment or decrement inside the for loop. So let us see what will be the output. For loop 1, this file name. So you see that the output is 1 to 10, because here num int and first of all time the value of num will be 1, and after every time first of all the num will be initialized with 0, and whenever 0 is less than 10, then it comes with num plus plus, so it will be goes to 1 and it will display 1. So that's why it will display from 1 to 10. So this is the small introduction of the for loop, and also we will see another type of for loop, or nested for loop. So let us see how nested for loop will work. We will take another example for the nested for loop. This is the nested for loop, that means the for loop within the for loop. So here you see that I am just checking the I am just calculating the factorials of the numbers ranging from 2 to 10. So you see that I have declared three variables I j with the integer. Then I have created the for loop which is initialized with 2, and it will be goes to up to 10, I plus plus, always it will be included with 1. Then just I have given small logic for the factorial, that is fact equal to 1 first time. Then this the inner for loop will calculate the factorial, that is 2 to suppose that you are calculating the factorial of 5. So it will be run from 2 to 5 and it will be multiplicated with the j and stored in the fact, and after calculation of the factorial it will be displayed that factorial of 2 is 2, factorial of 3 is 6, factorial of 4 is 24 and like that, and again the value of factorial will be 1. So this is the small introduction of the nested for loop. So let us see it is working or not. I will write nested. So you see that the output is factorial of 2 is you see that the output, the factorial of 2 is 2, factorial of 3 is 6. If your result is not showing you, then I am again running by clear screen. You see that the output is this, the factorial of 2 is 2, 3 is 6, 4 is 24, 5 is 120 and so on. So this is the small introduction of friends, this is the small introduction of the for loop. If you liked my videos, then please don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you.